Hi everyone, just a quick update with the next episode of the Sydney Knife Show prep. So today I've only done a small amount on the CNC, but it's a big moment. What I've done is made my first part ready for prototyping the knife for Sydney show. Here we have it, the lock bar that we've prepared. That's going to be in place ready so that when I cut out my handles, I'll be able to fit that and make sure that it all fits before I take the handles off the fixture in the CNC. So I'll give you a quick rundown of how that went. The other exciting news today is that I've released my little keyring Prybars. So if you're interested in those, you can go to the website and pick one up. It's the largest batch of product that I've made so far, so there should be plenty available, and you can have a look. But I'll head over to the CNC and show you what I did this morning. With the release of the pry bars, I thought I might be spending a bunch of time packaging them up and things like that. So I didn't want to spend or have really massive goals this weekend for the CNC, just trying to do something achievable. Last weekend with the super glue fixture, it didn't go so well. So this week I thought I would just do some simple hold down screws. So we start off on the fixture. I drilled and tapped those screw holes there, and then had some of stock material that was held down under there. From there was a couple of operations, and ended up just cutting out the lock bar from the material like this, and ended up with my lock bar in place. Everything went pretty smoothly. All the critical dimensions came out how I wanted them to. The hole at the end fits really nicely with the pin that will go through there. Everything else dimensionally came out really nice. So I've cleaned it up on the disc afterwards just to get rid of the mill scale from the titanium there. Once I start working on the handles, they'll be on the rest of this fixture. This will let me have this in place so that I can walk in the tolerance of this part on the handle. So that'll be the plan for next weekend, I think. So that's it for this weekend. Just a quick little update while I go off and package a bunch of pry bars up. Looking forward to seeing you at Sydney Knife Show and showing you some more progress of the knife that I'm prototyping to bring to the show. And after that, once everything's in place, hopefully we can do a quick little production run before Sydney and have some for sale. All right, thanks everyone, and see you next time.